Rolling.
Hi everyone. What we have here at the background is a bench tube. This experiment was done in Eskadambi Vidya Kendra, Bangalore for the science exhibition 2010-2011. For this experiment we have got two friends who have helped me. One is Harshavardhan and another is Timaya Bhatt. What we have here is a 2 feet length iron pipe. One end of the pipe is connected to a gas cylinder which is LPG gas, and it is tightly packed so that the gas doesn't leak out from the back. The other end is also covered by a rubber diaphragm so that the gas cannot pass to this side also. As you can see, what we have made here are 1 millimeter holes in diameter, 1 millimeter diameter holes. Each hole is at a distance of ½ inch. Since the pipe is short, we have just had only 32 holes, but you can have a 6 feet long pipe which can have almost 100 holes. What we have here is a stereo. It's connected to woofer and two sub speakers. As we pass the gas starts flowing this side, and because the gas cannot escape from this side, it starts to escape from the small holes. So when we light the pipe on top, just like a stove, the flames come on top of it. So what happens is when we pass the speaker, because of the resonance between the speaker and the rubber diaphragm, the sound waves pass to the pipe, and this pipe acts as a sound medium. And because of the frequency of the sound as well as the amplitude, the flames at one point of time at a high amplitude come here, and the one with a low flame come this side. And the bass effect sound can be seen in these 3 holes. You can just watch the demo.
ಯಕ್ಕ ರಾಜರಾಣಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯೊಳಗೆ ಹಿಡಿ ಮಣ್ಣು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಯೊಳಗೆ ಆಡಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಡಿ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿವೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಡಿ ಯಕ್ಕ ರಾಜರಾಣಿ ನನ್ನ